It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 22nd of February. I'm Michael Groff. Increasing clouds today, should still be a warm one with highs getting into the upper 70s. But then we turn breezy and cooler tomorrow and Friday. And then there's another chance of rain coming into the valley late this weekend and early next week. So let's discuss as we look outside just before 7 a.m. Partly cloudy skies in the valley right now. 56 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 51, relative humidity 84%. The winds are light, the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, most of us are in the low and middle 50s. Of course, the cool spot, Fort McDowell at 47. Some clouds moving into the area ahead of a Pacific weather system. We see that on the satellite picture this morning. On the watch warning map, some dense fog advisories from the Gulf Coast north toward Chicago and parts of lower Michigan. Winter storm watches extend from the central Rockies east out into the Plain States. Some wind advisories out here in the west. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather today, but some thunder possible on the Pacific Northwest coast, parts of the northern plains, and in the southeast. So as far as our weather, let's delve into the details as we take a look at the models and see what's happening. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Here comes that Pacific trough. Most of that energy will be staying north of Arizona, but a cold front will drag south and begin to move across the Southern California area this afternoon. Some breezes will be picking up there. But here in the valley, just increasing clouds, a little bit of wind this afternoon and this evening. We'll call it partly sunny by this afternoon. High temperatures, upper 70s. A few spots may exceed the 80-degree mark today. Tonight, we'll see those breezes pick up as the cold front sweeps across the area. Partly cloudy skies, lows in the 40s and low 50s. Tomorrow, a fresh north breeze, 10 to 20 miles per hour here in the valley. Gusty winds, especially out toward the Colorado River Valley. High temperatures tomorrow, much cooler. The latest GFS printing out just 65 here in the valley tomorrow, and that seems about right. Tomorrow night will be rather chilly with that drier air coming in. Lows mid-30s to low 40s in the valley. We'll have the coolest temperatures we've seen in probably about a month and a half here. Then on Friday, we're partly cloudy. Still kind of cool, highs in the mid to upper 60s. Saturday, a little bit warmer, highs getting near 70. The sky partly cloudy. Then on Sunday, another trough deepens and heads toward the southwest states. We'll see rain increasing across Southern California, Southern Nevada, northern Arizona. The rain should hold off here in the valley for most of the day. We'll call it mostly cloudy by Sunday afternoon here, with a slight chance of showers coming in. High temperatures should warm up pretty nicely, though. Ahead of that trough, good southerly winds, some warm air advection, highs in the mid to upper 70s. Then on Monday, decent amount of moisture with this system. The dynamics will be a little bit closer to Arizona. This isn't going to be a widespread heavy rain event, but still some light rain will be possible. Off and on Monday. Much of the guidance suggests that Monday will be a cloudy, cool, showery sort of day with high temperatures only in the upper 50s and low 60s. The European has a high of 56 on Monday. The GFS has us in the low 60s. We'll see how it pans out, but overall a cool, wet day. Then on Tuesday, we're still cool and wet, though I think the rain will taper off through the day. And again, it's not going to rain all day, but we'll have mostly cloudy skies and widely scattered showers around. High temperatures only in the low 60s. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, March the 1st. Yes, we're getting into meteorological spring. And as we do, drier conditions, warmer temperatures, highs getting back into the upper 60s and low 70s. This is Thursday, March 2nd. High pressure building off the west coast. Northwesterly flow here. High temperatures low to mid 70s. And this is the end of the forecast period. Friday, March the 3rd, we see some energy closing off or attempting to close off south of Arizona. But overall, high pressure trying to build in across the Great Basin. Maybe some breezy conditions if this pans out. And high temperatures would be about the mid-70s, perhaps upper 70s. And let's look at the temperatures off the GFS ensemble through the period. The yo-yo of temps continues, which is typical for this time of year. But mostly we're going to stay below normal through at least the next week or so, and probably beyond that. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video coming back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Wednesday.